Yo, what's up? Absolute beauty of a day here, finally. Been dealing with a lot of rain lately, so this morning I figured I'd take a quick little trip up to a place called Spahats Falls in Wells Gray Park, Clearwater, BC. I've been there a million times, not too exciting for me, but it'll be pretty cool to show you guys it. So yeah, I'm gonna head up there. Here we are coming up to the turnoff to Spahats Falls, and then once we get into the parking lot, it's just a short little walk to the falls. Trailhead to the Spahats Falls. You can probably hear the waterfall in the background. It's kind of loud. But yeah, it's just a short little walk. As you can see, it's a pretty big parking lot. Not too many people here yet because I'm pretty early, but this does fill up. Over there they got a little stand where you can buy some hot dogs and ice cream and stuff. I'm sure you pretty much have to choose between sending your kid to college or buying a hot dog over there. It's that expensive, but yeah, it is what it is. And let's head on out towards the trail. So in case you didn't know, there's bats. There's also a lot of bears. Yeah, and Spahats viewpoint, 5-minute walk. Oh, looks like hot dogs are only $5, and whatever the heck Wurst is $7, and a Smoky is $7. Get out your wallets. It's a pretty smooth, easy trail. Pretty sure even your grandma could do this, especially if she's had a hip replacement. And she's probably super speedy, faster than me. It's just beautiful through here though. I love Wells Gray Park. It's so nice. Oh, there's an outhouse up there if you gotta take a dump. Look how nice and pretty this is. It's almost like it's a park. We're getting a little closer to where you'll be able to start hearing the waterfall. You can't really see the waterfall yet from here, but you can kind of see where it goes. There's the viewpoint over there that we're heading towards. Long ways down. That's the Clearwater River you can see way off in the distance. And here's our first opportunity to see a glimpse of the falls. You can see it down there. Oh, there's even a rainbow. Beautiful. But let's get to the main viewpoint. So there is Spahats Falls in all its glory. It's flowing really hard right now as they've had a lot of rain this year. There's all this info about it. You can pause if you want to read it. But it is a very very, very long way down. I'm sure the video doesn't really do it justice, but there's a site up there. But yeah, it's a very long way down. Yeah, so that's Spahats Falls in Wells Gray Provincial Park, Clearwater, British Columbia. I've seen it like a million times, so it's not that cool, but for seeing it the first time, it's pretty amazing. Yeah, if you're ever in the Clearwater, British Columbia area, make sure to come see it. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll hopefully get out there and get some more videos for you. Take care.